So here I'm wearing the Boobushka from Boobie, and I know I sound crazy, but if you're not familiar with the brand, Boobie is the cutest, most stylish dog that you should be following on Instagram. And this is from their brand. It's the cutest little scarf top. It actually looks like butter, and I'm wearing the colorway butter. I tied it into a little top, but you can also wear it tied around a bag or tied around your head, tied every which way you can think of, in true Boobie fashion. This piece is so cute and so versatile, and I love the yellow and red combo. It's just the right amount salty for every look.
This scarf here is by Boob World, and it is the Boobushka in pickled zebra. That's quite a name, but basically it is a 100% silk scarf in like this pretty lime green zebra print. I have been so into headscarves lately. I like to wear them just like this, where I kind of fold it in half and tie under my hair. It looks crazy now, but it's gonna be cute. And then just like that. And I feel like I've been loving them, especially in quarantine, because so often we just kind of look a hot mess. We don't really want to do our hair, we don't want to get ready, but we kind of want to just feel good about ourselves and be a bit more presentable. I feel like headscarves have been the perfect way for me to like not have to do my hair, not have to wash it, not have to worry about it, but still feel like I'm a bit put together, I'm fashionable, I look cute. I just love this scarf. It's really long, so it just kind of hangs back. I just love it so much. It's so cute and bright and vibrant. It just elevates the look, and I love it. I feel like I look just like that little well-dressed chihuahua, which is a dream that any girl could hope for.
Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more about this item and try it before you buy, head on over to fromthelobby.com. You'll pay $0 at checkout and only be charged for what you keep after 14 days. While you're there, you can watch and shop hundreds of video reviews from all your favorite brands. More details and links in the description below.